Does the 2015-2020 Ford F-150's 6R80 transmission have a dipstick? The short answer is no. Unlike older transmissions, the 6R80 uses a sealed-for-life design, meaning it lacks a traditional dipstick for checking fluid levels. Instead, fluid checks require specialized tools or electronic monitoring. This design minimizes leaks and potential contamination, aligning with Ford's focus on reliability and precision. Note that aftermarket dipstick adapters are available, but Ford warns against them due to potential warranty issues. Since there's no dipstick, how do you check the fluid? There are two primary methods: electronic monitoring and manual override. Electronic monitoring involves using a compatible OBD2 scanner to read the transmission fluid, temperature, and level sensors via the vehicle's diagnostic port. Alternatively, some procedures require driving the vehicle to operating temperature and then consulting a dealer using their specific tool. Low fluid can lead to serious transmission issues like overheating and slipping. Regular checks are recommended, typically around 30,000-mile intervals, to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your 6R80 transmission.